In this video, I will show you how to go incognito mode in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go incognito mode, there's two ways you can do this. As you can see, I've currently got a Google Chrome browser open, so the first way to do this is if you come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto the three dots to bring up this menu. You're going to see an option for new incognito window. So just simply give that a click, and as you can see, you've gone incognito. Another way to do this is if you come down to your taskbar and right click onto the Google Chrome, you're going to get this menu come up, and again, an option to open up a new incognito window. So just give that a click, and as you can see, you've gone incognito. So that's how to go incognito mode in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.